Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working in Figma and wondered, how do I quickly change my text from uppercase to lowercase or title case without retyping everything? You're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to change the case of your text in Figma, saving you loads of time and keeping your designs looking crisp and professional. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're in Figma. So go ahead and open up your Figma project. Whether you're working directly in your browser or using the desktop app, it all works the same way. You'll want to navigate to the file where you have some text you want to change. For this walkthrough, I've got a simple sample sentence on the canvas. You can use whatever text you like. Maybe it's a heading that you want to make all caps for emphasis, or maybe you're adjusting a paragraph to title case for a more polished look. Next up, to actually change the case, you'll need to select the text you want to modify. Just click once to select the whole text box, or if you only want to change part of your sentence, double-click so you can highlight just those specific words. Take an extra moment here to make sure you've got the right selection. There's nothing worse than realizing you've accidentally transformed an entire block of text when you only meant to adjust the header. With your text selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar in Figma. This is where you'll find your type settings, and it's the control center for all things typography in your project. Sometimes this area can feel a bit crowded, especially if you're new to Figma, but don't worry. It's actually super organized once you get used to where everything lives. You'll want to find the section labeled Type. Right in this area, you'll see various options for things like font family, font size, weight, line height, and more. What we're interested in is the case option. It might be represented by a little icon or the word itself, depending on your Figma version. This little dropdown is about to be your best friend. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from this menu, you can choose from different case formats. Uppercase, lowercase, and title case are the usual suspects. For example, if you want your entire phrase to stand out as a bold statement, select UPPRCSC. If you need the text to appear softer or more traditional, click on lowercase. Or perhaps you're looking for that neat book title look. Title case will automatically capitalize the first letter of each word. And just like that, your text updates instantly. No fussing around or manually retyping anything. This is super handy if you're working with a style guide, making quick design iterations, or sharing your Figma files with a team, since everyone can keep things consistent with just a couple of clicks. So that's it, simple, right? Don't worry if you don't see the changes immediately. Sometimes Figma updates can take a second depending on your internet connection or the size of your file. And if you ever want to switch things back, it's just as simple. Remember, the great thing about Figma is how non-destructive these changes are. You can keep experimenting without fear of messing up anything permanently. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Figma text settings or want me to cover more Figma tricks, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, no-nonsense design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.